Nelson Wang, TheStreet's Tech Stacks editor. Let's go check out Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event and see what you missed.
It is my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy Note 10.
We've packed all the power and productivity of the Note into 2 different sizes, so you can choose the one that's right for you. With the Note 10, there's a perfect lens for every shot, giving you the versatility to take incredible photos in a variety of situations. Since the very first Galaxy Note, users have always recognized that the S Pen is more than just a simple tool. It's the heart of the Note experience. These days, we're constantly sharing photos and videos to stay in touch with our friends and family. And we're always looking for new ways to personalize with different stickers and effects. We're launching a new experience that combines the power of the S Pen and the camera to let you create in entirely new ways.
I wonder what you're doing to me right now.
You know our live focus feature, the one that allows you to control the bokeh or background blur to get some really amazing looking photos? Well, with Note 10, you can apply bokeh to your videos too.
It looks like a laptop, but it's got the essence of a smartphone. The best of both worlds, thanks to our friends at Microsoft and Qualcomm.
Microsoft's mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. At any moment, we want, within your arm's reach, the greatest of experiences wherever you are. And the combination of Microsoft's intelligent experiences and Samsung's powerful, innovative new devices like the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Book S make this possible.
Thank you, Samsung members. Thank you.